Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of the pretzels. Okay, so I left them in for 30 minutes instead. So you want to do that. This. It's a little stuck. Okay, don't leave them in for 20 minutes, leave them in for 15. Yeah, I'm gonna leave these to sit out. I highly recommend Pliable. Shout out to the Davis family.